Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Adnan Mahmood. My group member is Ishfaq Ali. Our supervisor name is Engineer Ahmed Mujtaba, and our project title is Arduino based underground cable fault detection. This is the Arduino board 8 megahertz microcontroller board, and this is the GSM module SIM art so to convert number message send, and this is the LCD 16 plus 2, and this is the fault switch. Then I create the folder, and this is the relay modules and the switching to continuous and the circuit diagram. This is the mobile. Then I have sent to R2 kilometer, for example, for create to the LCD was true R2 kilometer. The GSM will send to R2 kilometer. Y2 kilometer. The GSM will send Y2 kilometer. B2 kilometer. Blue line. In the GSM will send B2 kilometer. R4 kilometer. The GSM will send R4 kilometer. Yes. Y4 kilometer. The GSM will send Y4 kilometer. Blue line B4 kilometer. The GSM will send B4 kilometer. The GSM will R6 kilometer. Y6 kilometer. The GSM will Y6 kilometer. Blue line B6 kilometer. And the GSM will send to 6 kilometer. R8 kilometer. R8 kilometer. Y8 kilometer. The GSM will send to Y8 kilometer. Blue line 8 kilometer. GSM will send to blue line 8 kilometer.